Colvin George Scott, better known as Cocoa Tea, is a Jamaican reggae singer and songwriter. He initiated the annual New Year's Eve events Dancehall Jam Jam in 2003. It ran until 2009 with plans to resurrect it in 2015. After recording for many of the top reggae labels including VP Records, Greensleeves Records and Rust Records, he started his own Roaring Lion label around 2000. Born in Rocky Point, Clarendon Parish, Jamaica, Cocoa Tea was popular in Jamaica from 1985 but has become successful worldwide since the 1990s. One of the most famous songs is Rikers Island, which was later turned into a dancehall version by Nardo Ranks titled Me No Like Rikers Island, which was released the same year as the original Rikers Island. He also gained fame with the song Young Lover. He gained notoriety in March 2008 after releasing a song titled Barack Obama on support of the US presidential candidate by the same name. Cocoa Tea's song Jam Made Them That Way from his 1984 album Rocking Dolly interpolates human nature by Michael Jackson and Answer Me Question by Dylan Gear. He recorded a song called Barack Obama in support of the future US president's 2008 presidential campaign.